In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Binance account in Nepal. Now, doing this can be a little bit tricky because Binance isn't officially supported, but there are a few workarounds that you guys could do in order to attempt to access Binance in Nepal. And I'm just going to be straight up honest with you guys, this process can be a little bit hectic. So at that point, it's honestly better off using a Binance alternative because Nepal is just such a strict country and they have very strict cryptocurrency regulations. So one thing that you guys could try to do is use a VPN, a virtual private network will basically allow you to change your IP address and make it appear like you're from the United States or the Great Britain or any other country that actually does support cryptocurrency, Binance to be more exact. And on top of that, you guys will also need a virtual phone number. A virtual phone number will give you a United States number, which you could then use in order to create your Binance account. There's many great services out there, but unfortunately, a lot of the services are actually paid. So you might need to pay for multiple monthly subscriptions in order to attempt to use Binance in Nepal, which is why I say that it is just such a hassle. I personally don't recommend doing it, but that is something that you guys could do. And then it's going to ask you to do some like phone verification. And that's where you use your virtual phone number in order to get the code. And then from there, you should be able to make your account. So again, this process is very tricky, and if you plan on doing this, I wish you the best of luck, and please make sure to always be safe. And in my opinion, you're honestly better off using a Binance alternative. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.